In this tutorial, we're going to review 3 different ways that you can try to help a pet who is choking. The first thing you should try is, if you can safely do so, if your pet will allow it, is to try to gently open his mouth by using your finger to kind of pull his lower jaw down, and then you can just kind of look in the back of his mouth. And if you can see something, you can either try to sweep it out with your fingers, again, making sure you're being safe and not injuring yourself. If you can identify an object, you might be able to use some tweezers from the house to remove the object from the back of your pet's mouth. If that doesn't work, or if you can't safely open your pet's mouth, you can use gravity to try to help dislodge the object. In a cat or a small dog, you can lift them up off the ground with their head pointed towards the ground, or in a bigger dog, lift their hips with their front feet on the ground, and then try to gently shake them just to try to dislodge the object from their mouth. If you're still unsuccessful, the last thing you can try is a modified Heimlich maneuver. In a big dog, this may require 2 people, one person to kind of help support the animal in the back, and then the person who's going to apply some pressure. You're going to take one hand and put it over your other in a fist, and then in the area just behind your pet's last ribs, you're going to forcefully thrust up and towards the head to try to dislodge the object that way. We hope you never have to use these techniques, but in an emergency, there may not be time to get to a veterinary facility. If you're able to safely dislodge the object from your pet's throat, make sure you have her checked out with your veterinarian as soon as you can.